Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Nissan Titan door. First, try your key fob. Simply press the unlock button. If that doesn't work, locate the physical key, usually hidden within the fob itself. Insert this key into the driver's side door lock and turn it. Sometimes, a door might be accidentally left ajar or unlocked, so always check all 4 doors and the tailgate before trying more complex methods. This can save you time and effort. If your key fob isn't responding, its battery might be dead, or the vehicle's battery could be low. Don't worry, your fob contains a hidden physical key. Slide the small release button or lever on the fob to reveal it. Once you have the physical key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's door handle. Give it a firm turn, either clockwise or counterclockwise, to manually unlock the door. This method bypasses any electronic issues. When your keys are locked inside, you might need a few specialized tools. First, use a non-marring wedge to gently pry open a small gap, about 1/4 inch, at the top corner of the driver's door frame. Next, carefully slide a long-reach grabber tool through this opening. Aim for the interior door handle or the lock button. With steady hands, hook the mechanism and pull to unlock your Nissan Titan. Always proceed with caution to avoid damage. If you've tried these methods without success, or if you're uncomfortable attempting them, it's best to call for professional help. A certified locksmith has specialized tools and expertise to unlock your Nissan Titan without causing any damage. Many roadside assistance programs also offer lockout services. To prevent future lockouts, consider keeping a spare key in a secure, accessible place, or perhaps with a trusted friend or family member. Stay prepared.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.